Error code AS on Midea Dehumidifiers indicates that the humidity sensor has failed. In this video we will demonstrate how to change the humidity sensor on 22-pint Midea Dehumidifier model MAD22S1WWT. While error code for faulty humidity sensor would not be the same on different makes and models, the general procedure of replacing the sensor on dehumidifiers would be very similar. To replace the sensor on this model, we will need new replacement sensor and Phillips head screwdriver. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. Keep in mind, not all models of Midea dehumidifiers have same type of humidity sensor. You will need to make sure that humidity sensor you getting will fit your specific model. First of all, make sure the power cord is unplugged. The sensor located right behind air filter, and we will need to remove the cover to get access to it. Remove the bucket, air filter and drain nut. Remove all screws from each side of dehumidifier. There should be 3 in the back, 2 on each side and 4 in front of dehumidifier. All screws are the same size. Push down the front cover and remove it as it's showing on video. Keep in mind, it may take some effort to remove front cover. Remove one screw holding top panel assembly. The top panel assembly attached by multiple plastic latches as it's showing on video. Carefully unlatch 3 of them on both corners, but don't pull the top panel too hard. Remove the cover as it's showing on video and place it in front of the unit. You can access humidity sensor at this point. To get better view on video, we will disconnect the cables from the control panel and put the cover aside. Humidity sensor located at the top right corner and normally attached with a glue. Remove the cables and disconnect humidity sensor. You can get humidity sensor replacement for this model and also for other brands from qxparts.com. Keep in mind, not all models of Midea dehumidifiers have same type of humidity sensor. You will need to make sure that humidity sensor you getting will fit your specific model. Attach connector of new sensor to the cable and put the sensor and cables to the designated plastic hooks. Carefully place back the cover as it's showing on video. Remember to put back one screw holding top panel assembly. Put back screws on both sides and the back cover of dehumidifier. Place front cover as it's showing on video and carefully lock it up. Put back 4 screws in front of dehumidifier. Place the bucket, air filter and drain nut back in. The repair is now completed and your dehumidifier should be ready for use.